Welcome to day 4 for the 12 days of stickers. Today's kit is actually a very me kit, very true to what I normally make. And here is why. I honestly tried to, stay away from a lot of florals, but of course I had to throw you guys a floral kit, and I titled it Floral Kit, but also in one of my favorite color schemes. So we have the floral kit for day 4. You can still purchase these kits, by the way, as a bundle throughout the rest of December, which is, coming up soon. So if you want to grab these at a discount, make sure you check the description and also for today's deal of the day. And that is it for day 4. I will see you guys tomorrow for day 3.